Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for keep coming back to watch another video here on my kitchen. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe, and if you are coming back, thank you so much for all the support and all the love that you've been showing my work. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a bread stuffed pizza. Something very easy to make. You're gonna love it, and it's very cheap to make. The first thing you're gonna do is that you are gonna get a bread and you're gonna cut it in half. Make sure you don't cut it too much to the top or too much to the bottom. You want to do it right in the middle. After you cut the bread, you are going to take the bread out of the bread. Just like you are doing like a little boat. After you get the bread out, now what you want to do is get some marinara sauce and start spreading that out all over the bread. Make sure you get every bit of it. And you want to do this on both sides. I really like marinara sauce, so I'm gonna be really generous with it. I'm gonna put a lot. If you don't like it as much, you don't have to put as much as I'm gonna put in here, but it definitely really gives a good flavor to the recipe and a nice touch. Now what you want to do is you're gonna get a little bottle of mozzarella cheese, and you're gonna cut it in small pieces, on thin pieces, because this is gonna give a really nice touch to this recipe. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce inside the bread. And following by that, you're gonna put salami all over. Make sure you can put as much as you want to. I'm just gonna fill it up, but you can put as much as you want to. And I'm gonna put a little bit of pepperoni also. This is gonna be amazing, guys. I'm ready to get this recipe done so I can take a small bite of it. Because this already has a good smell. Put all the pepperoni on top of it. Make sure you are preheating your oven at 180 degrees. I recommend it for you to put it at 200 degrees and let it over there for 30 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of onions and bell peppers. If you don't like vegetables, if you don't like onions or bell peppers, you can use any other type of different ingredients that you like. You can put chicken, you can put all other type of things that you would like to experiment with this recipe. This recipe is something very that you can play with, and I'm very pleased with the results that I've been seeing by now. Now you're gonna add a little bit of marinara sauce. Look at that, it's gonna give it a nice touch, very beautiful. All the colors of the vegetable, the peppers, the onions. It's just gonna be delicious, guys. I really recommend for you to make this at home. Don't be afraid. If you won't try, you will know you can make it happen. Add a little bit of mozzarella cheese for a nice look right there. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna put the bread on top and you're gonna put it in the oven for around 30 minutes at 200 degrees or until the cheese is already melted. You need to keep looking at it because you don't want anything to burn. You just want the cheese to melt and the bread to feel a little crunchy, so that way you are ready to eat it, cut it and eat it and serve it. Right here, 30 minutes after we are cutting our bread, we're cutting these delicious recipes that we have just made. It looks incredible. It will taste incredible. I cannot tell you how excited I am to try this amazing recipe. Look at the results. Completely amazing. Look at that. Who doesn't want a bite of it? Unbelievable. Look all that cheese. Look at the results, guys. This is a very easy, cheap recipe to make. Try this at home. Your kids are gonna love it. Your friends, your husband, your fiance, your boyfriend. If you're single, you are gonna love it. Thank you very much for another recipe, for being here, for the support, for the love. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, share this video on any platform that you liked. And thank you very much for being here one more time. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, to subscribe. And if you are somebody that came back to watch another video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, if you don't try, you will know you can make it happen. I will see you next time with another recipe on Raf Kitchen.